Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn to Celebrate Life with Swati Deshmukh. My name is Swati Deshmukh and my today's video is about Formula 1 race like experience in America. So friends, today we have come on the occasion of my son's birthday, so he will be participating in the race and we might like me and my husband might do some other days. So I will show you like some of his photographs and I will show you a quick tour of the place and I will show you some photographs of that place because I asked them and they said that race I cannot make a video on race because it is not safe, but they allowed me to take some photographs. So I will be taking some photograph and try to cover the whole place with my photographs so that you can get an idea that how the race takes place here. So I'll try my best. And this place has many locations all over the world, so which I will be discussing at the end of the video. And I know lot of friends who are in India and they will ask me that can we do it in India, so all that I will be answering at the end of the video. So let's get started. So this is the podium where the winners stand in first, second and third position. You must have seen this in the Formula 1 race on TV. And this is the main entrance, and you can see this is the registration desk where you need to register every time you come for the race. And they also sell some merchandise like the head sock you can see, and t-shirts you can see on the wall. They sell of different sizes of t-shirt for the children's as well as for adults, so all sizes they sell, and hand gloves and all which you need to wear during the race. This is the outside lobby where you can also sit and eat. You can see this is a Formula 1 driver dress. This is the small cafeteria, but right now dining is not allowed because of COVID-19 restrictions. That's why the chairs are kept upside down. But you can sit in other area. Now we are inside where actual race takes place. You can see various sizes of helmets are kept and the chart for flags and rules are shown. Demo go-kart is also kept to explain new drivers about the control and operations. Different flags are shown to drivers during the race, like the green flag is shown to go, yellow flag for caution, checkered flag for the finish line. This is the scoreboard wherein the lap-wise result for each racers is shown. And these are the top 50 racers of 2019. You can see my son choosing the helmet. This is how you have to get ready for the race and line up for the race. You can see the race has started and there will be 12 laps to complete the race. You can see the checkered flag is shown to all the racers. Here white flag is shown to the racer. So friends, you must have liked my today's video and must have felt very excited to try this thing. Even me and my husband also felt the same after looking at my son doing the race and the adults doing the race. So we actually enjoyed it a lot and are thinking to try it some other day. So I would also tell you that it has the place is K1 Speed Go-Karting, and it has around 42 locations all around US, and many other countries also it has, like in Mexico it has, in France, Canada and Middle East also. So it has many locations in all over the world. But it does not have in India. But I saw on the net that in India also the go-karting is there, and it is outdoor go-karting, which I showed you was indoor go-karting, but India you have outdoor go-karting. It is in Bangalore. So you can also try that, those who are in India, and if you have a chance to come to US, then definitely give it a try, because it is a very thrilling experience. So give it a try and keep celebrating your life wherever you are, in whichever country you are. So I am providing all the details in the description, you can check it out about it. And if you would have liked my video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I keep on showing many of such activities which you can also try. And do share with your friends if you think your friends will be interested, and keep on celebrating your life wherever you are. Thank you so much.